What really makes a petrol engine different from a diesel one? Is it just the fuel or something more? These two engines may seem similar, but the way they produce power, handle fuel, and survive over time is surprisingly different. Whether you're buying a car, curious about engines, or just love learning, this deep dive will clear things up in the simplest way possible. Let's break it down side by side, petrol versus diesel, once and for all. Number 1. How petrol and diesel engines work. Both engines are types of internal combustion engines. They use fuel to create explosions that push pistons and move the vehicle. Petrol engines mix fuel with air before compressing it, while diesel engines compress air first and then add fuel, which ignites due to the heat. That's the key difference. Number 2. Fuel ignition. Petrol engines need spark plugs to ignite the fuel-air mix. Diesel engines skip the spark. Instead, they compress air until it's hot, then inject fuel, causing it to ignite on its own. This method gives diesel engines more power but also makes them louder and more complex in design. Number 3. Power and torque differences. Diesel engines produce more torque at lower speeds, making them great for heavy vehicles like trucks. Petrol engines give smoother and quicker acceleration, perfect for smaller cars. So, diesel gives more pulling strength, while petrol focuses on speed and responsiveness, especially when driving in cities or on highways. Number 4. Fuel efficiency and mileage. Diesel contains more energy per liter, making diesel engines more fuel efficient. They burn less fuel over long distances. Petrol engines are less efficient but better for short trips. If you drive a lot, diesel saves money over time. For city drivers, petrol might be more cost-effective overall. Number 5. Environmental impact and emissions. Petrol engines release more carbon dioxide, CO2, while diesel engines emit less CO2, but more nitrogen oxides, NOx, which are harmful pollutants. Newer diesel vehicles use filters to reduce this. Both engines affect the environment, but in different ways. Emission laws are pushing both to become cleaner technologies. Number 6. Engine noise and smoothness. Petrol engines are quieter and smoother, making them more comfortable for everyday driving. Diesel engines are louder because of high compression and lack of spark plugs. While modern diesel engines have improved, petrol still offers a more peaceful and refined ride, ideal for families or quiet city driving. Number 7. Engine durability and lifespan. Diesel engines are built stronger to handle high pressure, so they often last longer. That's why many trucks and commercial vehicles use diesel. Petrol engines wear out faster but are cheaper to replace or repair. Diesel wins in durability, but petrol might be better for short-term use. Number 8. Maintenance and repair costs. Petrol engines are simpler and easier to fix. Parts are cheaper and mechanics are more familiar with them. Diesel engines need special care, and parts like injectors or filters can be expensive. Over time, diesel may cost more to maintain even if it lasts longer overall. Number 9. Performance and driving feel. Petrol engines offer quicker response and higher speed. They're more fun to drive if you enjoy fast acceleration. Diesel engines feel heavier but powerful, especially uphill or with loads. Each delivers a different driving feel. Petrol is light and lively. Diesel is steady and strong. Choose what suits your style. Number 10. Which one should you choose? Go for petrol if you drive short distances, want a smooth ride, and lower upfront costs. Pick diesel for long trips, better fuel economy, and stronger engines. Your choice depends on budget, daily use, and preference. There's no one-size-fits-all, just what fits your lifestyle best. Choosing between petrol and diesel engines comes down to your needs. Whether you want a quiet, affordable ride or a powerful, fuel-efficient workhorse. Both have their strengths and weaknesses, and now you know what sets them apart. If this video helped you understand the difference, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow explanations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.